afternoon. Chuck here at Downspout Acres. I've installed a water collection barrel here outside our back porch. It'll be used to water some planters and some plants over here after we get the landscaping done. But all I've done to put this on here, I ordered this one from Wayfair. It's pretty nice. It's, you know, it's kind of rustic looking. Got a nice screen for the top. Nice brass spigot. And what I've done, I just used some landscape blocks to get it up off the ground. Put a flagstone on top of that and put the water barrel right on top of that. But what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be using one of these Catch-A-Raindrop water spout diverters. And they're pretty easy to install. I'll go ahead and install that. And this whole installation is probably going to take less than 30 minutes. That's including the time I spent leveling this and then putting this diverter into the downspout here. Let's take a walk up to the chicken coop. I'll show you one of these downspout diverters that I've already installed. If you haven't met these girls yet, that's Beatrice, that's Reese, and there comes Rosie. We have an electric fence now inside the wire fence because this one here, Beatrice, she jumps out. She can jump these fences without a problem, except the other day she got her leg caught and it tore her leg up pretty good. Lucky nothing broke. So we put the electric fence in. So she's a little pain in the butt, but we love her and she loves us because she loves getting petted. Don't you, Beatrice? Let's take a walk up to that chicken coop and show you that diverter. Come on, chickies. Here's one of those diverters. I just painted it black to match the downspout. But you just cut the downspout, place it in from the bottom, and you use a little piece of hose. I got a little piece of a washing machine hose here, and I just feed it into my barrel. So that's how that little system works. And I don't even drain this one in the winter. Yeah, this past winter I only had to haul water out here, I think 4 or 5 times. That thaws out pretty quick, and she doesn't break, she doesn't burst. And this here, the spigot, all I did was drill a hole slightly smaller than the diameter of the spigot threads. Threaded it in with some JB weld. And I just JB weld that right into place. And that's held now for 2 years. Pretty good little system. And these types of diverters, they don't divert 100% of the water into the barrel. It's probably close to 35–40%. It only takes the outside part of the downspout water and diverts that part. A lot of it still comes out down here in the bottom. So this is great for like these 55-gallon drums and the regular home rain barrels. Let's see where I want to put this. The top is going to slide down into there. Bottom's going to slide into there. They make these in 2 sizes. One for the, I think this is like a 2x3, and one for a 3x4. This is the smaller one. I think we're going to cut our pipe right about here. put a square on there. Let's see if I got enough play in this now. I doubt if I'm going to have to. I think I'm going to have to loosen something. Let's put this one on first. All right, let me take this bottom one off here. Just a couple little sheet metal screws. We'll take that one off and we'll slide that back in and put it back together. That on there. This could have went on the other side, but I wanted to put it in this way. I'll cut this off here, drop this in there. That way the whole thing's contained on the inside of the porch. You don't see it from the outside. And we'll just drop that in there. That's all there is to it. Now, there is a bracket here. Let me show you the other parts to this thing. Now, there's another bracket here, which I could put right about here and hold that a little better. But I'll see how it does without it. She's not bad right there. Okay. And there is a, when you don't want the water coming down into the rain barrel, you can unscrew this and put a cap on like that. So that's all there is to that. Oh, thanks for coming along today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Little easy project, 15-20 minutes from start to finish. Thanks for coming along. See you on the next video. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.